Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Gretzner here with another Family Law Friday. It's October now, and so this month we are going to be focusing on a lot of the types of questions I get from people before they file the divorce in terms of how they should act during their divorce. So this week's topic, if I contact a divorce attorney, will my spouse find out? This is a really important question because it implicates one of our most important duties as attorneys, which is the duty of confidence to our client. So the first thing to understand is that if you contact an attorney's office and you meet with that attorney, you will have created an attorney-client relationship with that attorney. And once you've created that relationship, that attorney cannot communicate with your spouse unless it is necessary to represent you in the case, or unless you have expressly permitted it. So generally, for example, if you called up our office and made an appointment to meet with me to talk about your case, once we have that appointment, you and I will have an attorney-client relationship, and I will not be able to communicate with your spouse. Now, once you've met that attorney, when are they going to contact your spouse? When is your spouse going to find out that you've called an attorney? Well, a lot of that depends. It depends first on you. Are you telling your spouse that you've seen an attorney? Are you afraid to tell your spouse? Why are you afraid to tell your spouse? A lot of times marriages break down because communication between the two people in the marriage isn't very good. And so sometimes just breaking that conversation, with someone that you want a divorce and that you've gone to see an attorney can be really, really challenging for people. And many clients really need assistance from us, and also, sometimes with the assistance of mental health professionals and their therapists, or their pastors and clergy in their life, of how do we break this news to the spouse that you want the divorce. And so frequently we will work with clients on making sure that they are coming up with a plan that makes them comfortable and also feel safe about how they communicate with their spouse that they are filing for divorce. But beyond that fact, if you file for divorce, if you actually have an attorney or you yourself put that paperwork in place with the court, then that divorce filing becomes public record. And once that divorce filing is public record, then anyone that wants to find it could find it. There have been issues in many states, not just in Michigan, but in many states, of some attorneys finding recently filed divorce cases for which there is no attorney representing the defendant, the side that did not do the initial filing, and contacting them and saying, hi, you may be the defendant in this divorce case. Not sure if you're aware of that, but if you need assistance, we're here to help you. And there definitely have been circumstances where there were, people that filed for divorce that didn't really realize that it was possible that once they filed, someone else could tell their spouse or find out through public record to tell their spouse that they had filed for divorce. So that's why it's just really imperative before you file, you craft a plan with your divorce attorney about how you're going to tell your spouse that you're planning to file for divorce, or that you have already filed for divorce, so that you can really try to start your divorce case off on the right foot. And so that if there is a possibility of amicable settlement and resolution, that your divorce case starts from that place. I hope this video has helped you. If you're considering divorce, please give our office a call. We're here to help.